here we are showing on the ITMA show here the EC300, which is actually the top range of our Collarette series. The 300 has here a new front panel, which is called eDrive 2. The benefit of this panel is that it's very easy for the operator to choose to do the presetting. It also has no buttons, relays, all these parts are removed as well today. So it's very good for maintenance and parts wise as well. The 300s is actually do the cutting in 2 steps. The primary cut is done here, and then we split that total width into several bands, which you see here. It will roughly cut about 20,000 meters an hour. Here we see the FA500, which is a full automatic roll-slitting machine. You can cut up to 12 cuts a minute. Actually, in the same cutting cycle, do up to 3 different widths.